Hello world, this is Siraj. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the how you can transfer files and folders from your iPhone to Windows PC. So let's get started. First of all, you have to install the iTunes apps into your computer. So that you have to go to your Microsoft Store. Then you can search the iTunes and you can find this iTunes app and we can install it. Then once you install it, you can open these applications either from here or from here. Here I already pinned this app in taskbar. I can click here or I can click here. So I'm going to click on this open to open this iTunes. And here you can see iTunes. In the left side you can see library and other music playlist. And for the time being we didn't connect the iPhone. When you're opening this iTunes first time, you have to give your Apple ID and password and you can get into the application officially. Now I'm going to connect my iPhone to this PC using the lightning cable to USB type C cable. So now it is connected. Now you'll be getting this dialog box. It asks to download the latest operating system. So I don't want this update, so I just press the cancel button, and in between that it is being connected to the iPod software update server. So I don't want this one for the time being, so I just click the stop button. When you're going to connect your iPhone to this PC first time, you have to trust this computer. Once you get the message like this, you can click on the trust, then your phone will be connected to your computer. In the meantime, you have to give your passcode to trust this computer. And also it may ask the regional settings, or it may ask the geographical locations or GPS settings. There also you can press allow button to make it easy. And also Apple will send the verification code. You can get this verification code from your iPhone. Then you can enter the same code into the iTunes apps to connect and verify your iPhone to this computer. Fine. Now I'm going to click on this phone icon. Once you click the iPhone icon, you can see the phone name, storage capacity, and the battery percentage. And also you can see some summary details about your phone, the version of iOS, and the backup and other options details are here. But we are going to go to this file sharing to transfer files from iPhone to PC and PC to iPhone. I'm going to click on the file sharing. On the left side you can see all the applications that you have installed in your iPhone in app wise. Another important thing that you have to do in this task is you have to install an application into your iPhone, that is ES File Explorer. You can open the files in your iPhone, then you can open the on my iPhone. There you can see the ES File Explorer folder. The next thing is you have to open this ES File Explorer folder. Then you can copy and paste all of the folders that you want to transfer from iPhone to your Windows PC. So if I open this one, you can see the files and folders under the ES File Explorer. So again, I'm going to click on this ES File Explorer, and you can see the files and folders exactly appear in my iPhones here as well, the folders and files. Fine. The first part is, let's see how we can transfer files from iPhone to Windows PC. So I'm going to transfer this PDF file from this iPhone to the PC. First I select this PDF file, then I come all the way down. There you can see two buttons, add files and save. I'm going to click on the save. Then once you click the save, you can give the destinations where you are going to save this file. I'm going to click on the desktop. I'm going to create a new folder. The folder name is iPhone 12. That's fine. Now I'm going to hit the enter key. Then you can click the select folder. Once you give the select folder, the particular file will be saved under this iPhone 12 folder in desktop. So we'll click here. That's fine. Now it is saved, and I'm going to minimize this iTunes Microsoft Store, and I'm going to open the iPhone 12 folder here. There you can see the PDF file here. That's fine. Now we'll go to the iTunes app and we'll see how we can transfer folder from iTunes to Windows PC. So I'm going to transfer this MMS folder to the PC. So just I select this folder and coming all the way down and click on the save button, and the location is same this time, and you can click the select folder and here you can see at the top of the application copying files and folders, subfolders from MMS folder from iPhone to Windows PC. Now it's taking a couple of seconds and done. Fine. Now we'll minimize this iTunes and we'll go to the iPhone 12 folder. Then here you can see the MMS folder. You can open and you can see all the subfolders and files if you have there. That's fine. That is importing files and folders from your iPhone to Windows PC. Now let's see how we can export files and folders from Windows PC to iPhone. Here I'm going to export the files to the root folder ES File Explorer. So I don't want to click any of the folders. If you want to export any of the folder to the specific folder, you can select that specific folder here. Then you can go to the next step. Here I'm going to import the files and folders to this ES File Explorer, that is a root folder. Then you can come all the way down. There you can find the button Add File. Then you can click the Add File. Then you can select the locations where you have the files or folders. Here I'm going to transfer some of the files under the pictures folder. Here you can see some of the pictures, and you can use the shift key or control keys to select multiple files. Here I'm going to press the control key and selecting more than one files. Here we selected 3 files. Then you can click the open button. Okay, now we can see all of them are being exported and done. Then you can see folder. Here also you can see 3 files. All of them are exported nicely. In the meantime, you can see the size of your audio and photos, application, documents, data, and other files. Like that, you can transfer files and folders from your iPhone to Windows PC and Windows PC to iPhone. That's all I want to discuss in this video. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment box. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the ring bell. Then you'll be notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Goodbye for now.